Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make glow effect in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, in first step, we will have to choose the object or element to which we want to apply the effect. Select it and duplicate it with Ctrl+J or in Mac with Command+J. Then we go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And we will put 5. Duplicate again, and we put 10. And repeat the process. Now we put 20. Now we repeat the process, just follow my steps. Once finished, we select all the layers with Ctrl pressed and click to group them. Here, we will select Linear Dodge, and we can lower the intensity of the effect in opacity and in fill. And if you want to make it even brighter, we will duplicate the group. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.